video, I'm going to test the typing sound of this keyboard. I will not be editing this video, so you are viewing the raw file of this video. I will talk a little bit so that you can hear the voice. So yeah, I personally like this keyboard a lot. It's my favorite keyboard. It reminds me of those typewriters from the old days. So let's go ahead and start typing after I set this down. Wait, I'm setting this on a toilet paper roll, so yeah. Okay, so let's go. I hope that helps a little bit. So yeah, that's all. See you. Bye.